Hey you guys, what's up? So today is the day that I'm gonna try out one of the most sought out things that I have been seeing on a lot of social media platforms, and I just wanted to try it so bad. I just kind of got out the shower. My hair is like damp, but it's not super damp. I didn't want it to like mess up anything. So I thought what a better way to do this than today, because I do have to head to the doctor's in a couple hours. I have to do some things for nursing school, but I am trying out this bad boy, the FoxyBae Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush. This is something that I've been wanting to try for absolutely ever, okay, like absolutely ever, and I got it for my birthday. So I said, what a better video to do than a video of me doing a review of this, and also a tutorial on how it works, what I think, my thoughts on everything. I thought it would be super fun. So this was just a fun little video idea that I thought I would do for you guys, in case you have been seeing this like I've seen this and have definitely had your doubts. So we're just gonna try it out. I really liked the box of this. It's super cute. I don't know if you can tell, like the detailing right here is super cute. It came last week and I got it 2 days ago, so here we are. Features: professional results, moisture, sleek and voluminous, faster styling, easy to use, safe and smooth. So super excited about this. Let's get to unboxing this bad boy. Just gonna set it on the floor. Ooh, this is super cute as well. Yeah, making sure it wasn't upside down. And then you just undo the top, and then this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's big, like super big, but of course it has to be big. It's very like comes in a good box, so I'm happy about that. And now we're gonna plug it up. It has, this is what it looks like. Super cute. It has their little symbol emblem right here. It's on 0, and then you have cool, you have 2, and then you have 1. So that's exciting. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to use my Launge heat shield in my hair. So this is a separate company from this. Yes, they have products for their hair. They have products for their hair that I'm sure goes with their tools, but it's a separate company. So I'm gonna use the Launge heat shield for my hair, which this has been working really good. I've actually have not put in any heat or straightened or done anything to my hair. I've been like rocking the natural of natural curls, y'all. Like, promise you, rocking the natural hair. And then I'm going to put in this root boost just to kind of give me some volume at the top of my hair. Sometimes when I straighten my hair, it's just like super flat. You can tell I have some volume because of my curls. But when my hair is straight, it doesn't give me that voluminous effect. So I'm just gonna put this root boost on my roots, and I am going to rub it in. Put this in my roots and just like rub it in all over, so that way I can have some volume to my hair. And I'm going to part, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. My parts are never like even, by the way, so it doesn't have to be like super duper precise, as long as it gets the job done for you. This gets the job done for me. And then I'm gonna take my wet brush and just brush out my hair. And then I'm gonna take this section right here. This is a good size section. And I'm going to begin the process. So let's see how it goes. And y'all, I'm like ready to get my color fixed in my hair. Like, my roots are like my natural color, which I love my natural color, don't get me wrong, but I'm so used to blonde hair and having highlights that I miss it. Okay, so we are gonna turn this bad boy on and we are going to get started. And I'm gonna put this on 2. So my hair is super soft. Like, what? Like, this is amazing. Like, so like, I'm so in love. Like, already in love. Like, y'all just can't even, words cannot describe how much I love this. Like, okay, so I'm gonna finish this part, do half of my head, and then we are gonna come back and we'll do the top of the head together. So this is one side done. One side done. Super cute. It's so soft. Okay, like, this is better than my straightener. Like, so better than my straightener. And that says a lot. Like, a lot. Okay? This definitely gives me that blowout, very flowy effect that I want, instead of like super bone straight, or sometimes when I straighten my hair and I put product in it, it gets like very oily super quick, and maybe it's the products that I use, but this does not give me that so far. Like, it does not give me that. Now, I haven't gotten to the top of my head, but from here down, the whole side of my head does not give me that effect at all. So now, since I'm done with this side, I'm just going to touch up a few pieces. Then I'm going to go to this side, finish this side, and then we'll do the top part. And then I will give you my 100% honest opinion on how I absolutely, ultimately like it or not. Okay, so here we are. I've done the bottom, the sides, the back of my head. Now I am going to, I just can't stop touching my hair, y'all. Like, I really cannot stop touching my hair. Now I'm going to do the top part of my hair. Sometimes my part is a little ratch, but we are going to, I think I'm gonna do a middle part. So we'll see. I've been digging middle parts lately. Well, when I would wear my hair straight, just depending on how it would go. I have like a lot of like breakage baby hairs up here that are like trying to go back, so they grow out so they look like bangs. Like, so embarrassing. But I'm just gonna split it down the middle, and I have a widow's peak, so my middle part is never truly a middle part. So sad. So we are going to do this middle part to the best of that a middle part should be. And I'm just gonna, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the lowest one since it's around my face. So then that way it can be very precise and I can have the type of definition and volume that I want. So we'll see how this goes. So far it has been working super good, and I'm very, very impressed with how my hair is turning out so far. So fingers crossed that it gives me what I want with the front part of my hair, because the front part of my hair is always a little wonky. So we will see. So my overall impression of the FoxyBae blow dry brush, I hope I'm saying that right, is I really love it. Like, my hair's super soft, like super soft. My ends don't look like ridiculous or anything. It does give me that blowout look and effect. It has some structure to it, but it's not super structured, which is something that I like. I like my hair to be flowy. I like being able to run my fingers through my hair, which that is something I definitely can do. Thanks to this blow dryer, it literally didn't take that long. I wish I would have timed or kept up with the time that I was doing it, so I could give you like an exact time frame, but I wasn't able to do that. But I will say this cut down the time of me having to blow dry my hair and then straighten my hair. This definitely reduced so much time that I would have been in my bathroom blow drying. I probably would have just got done blow drying and heating up my flat iron to flat iron my hair. And one thing that I really like about this is I'm able to twist it to give me some type of curl, or so that way it's not bone straight. Sometimes I like my hair bone straight, but all the time I don't like it that way. So this was able to give me some freedom to like move as I wanted. I will say this gets hot, like very, very hot. So I don't know if you noticed, but I would turn and then I would like take my hand off because it was super hot when it's going. So this is super hot. If you have a glove from your wand or something, you don't kind of burn your hands because it definitely gets toasty. But overall, like, the quality is great. It's not, I mean, it's heavy, but it's not super heavy. It's doable. And it works perfect on my hair. So I'm super in love with it. I just have so many flyaways, so it's ridiculous for me, you know, like dyeing my hair and just doing tons of things to it. But I love the result of how my hair turned out. Kind of show you the back of it. So just to give you an idea, but I'm absolutely in love. It's amazing. If this is something that you have been on the fence about, I would recommend you purchasing it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was very beneficial to you and it has given you some clarity and some answers on if you should purchase this bad boy or not. I definitely would recommend it, and I would give it maybe a 9 out of 10, just because this part is super hot and I use this a lot to kind of curl my hair. But a 9 out of 10, which is super, super good. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I will see you again in another video.